Huawei Sound X5 Review 2026, Huawei's most powerful smart speaker yet. Huawei Sound X5 is Huawei's newest flagship smart speaker, combining premium hi-fi audio, HarmonyOS AI intelligence, and luxury-inspired industrial design into one powerful home audio system. Designed for users who want cinematic sound, deep bass, and seamless smart home integration, the Sound X5 pushes Huawei's speaker lineup into true premium territory. The speaker was officially launched in China with a starting price of 2,199 yuan, 300 United States dollars, positioning it as a high-end alternative to premium smart speakers from Apple, Sonos, and DVLA. Premium design with luxury styling. Huawei has given the Sound X5 a futuristic transparent acoustic chamber paired with dynamic RGB lighting effects that react to music playback. One of the most eye-catching versions is the Gold Edition, featuring 18K gold-plated detailing around the passive radiators for a luxury aesthetic. The cylindrical body keeps the iconic Sound series design language while introducing a more refined and premium finish. Huawei says the speaker is designed to blend both sound and light into a single immersive experience. 8-driver triple-frequency audio system. The biggest upgrade comes in the acoustic architecture. Huawei equipped the Sound X5 with an advanced 8-driver, 3-way speaker system engineered for precise separation between highs, mids, and lows. Speaker configuration: 135mm titanium tweeter, 448mm mid-range drivers, 126mm woofer, 2 passive radiators. Huawei claims the system delivers up to 160 West total output power with bass extension reaching down to 36 Hz. Which is impressive for a compact wireless speaker. The tweeter extends frequencies up to 40 kHz, allowing more detailed treble reproduction and better instrument separation. Meanwhile, the mid-range drivers focus heavily on vocal clarity and immersive sound staging. Huawei also integrated a Faraday magnetic circuit system to reduce distortion by up to 80%, improving bass precision and overall audio clarity during high-volume playback. Hi-Res certified audio. The Sound X5 carries Hi-Res audio certification, meaning it supports high-resolution audio playback with enhanced detail and dynamic range. Huawei includes multiple sound profiles and audio modes, including Hi-Fi mode, theater soundstage, enhanced bass mode, vocal enhancement mode. This allows users to tailor the speaker for music, movies, podcasts, or gaming. Intelligent spatial audio optimization. One of the smartest features of the Sound X5 is its adaptive room calibration system. The speaker continuously analyzes the surrounding environment using reflected sound waves to optimize audio output in real time. Whether placed near a wall, in a corner, or in an open room, the Sound X5 automatically adjusts the soundstage for more balanced playback. Huawei describes the system as functioning like radar, dynamically detecting environmental changes and modifying acoustic performance accordingly. HarmonyOS AI integration. The Sound X5 is deeply integrated into Huawei's HarmonyOS ecosystem and introduces upgraded AI voice interaction powered by Huawei's large language model technology. Key smart features include natural conversational voice assistant, smart home control, gesture-based controls, sleep assistance, audio, seamless Huawei device connectivity. Users can also transfer music instantly from compatible Huawei smartphones using Huawei's tap-to-transfer functionality. Gesture controls allow users to wave their hands to trigger custom smart home actions, such as turning off lights or changing room scenes. Smart lighting effects. The Sound X5 features reactive ambient lighting synchronized with music playback. The lighting system changes dynamically based on rhythm and audio intensity, making the speaker feel more immersive during movies and music sessions. This feature gives the Sound X5 a modern entertainment-focused identity rather than being just another smart speaker. Price and availability. Huawei launched the Sound X5 in China with a starting price of 2,199 yuan. The premium gold accented edition costs more depending on configuration and region. Currently, the speaker is primarily focused on the Chinese market, though Huawei may expand availability globally later in 2026.